You can walk now. Hang on, dudes. Oh, there he goes. He just disappeared. He disappeared, Drew.
What did? Are they dead?
No.
They're just like moving against with the current. Oh my god!
Look at all these little fish.
What? That's the monster pack.
That's the monster pack. When I saw it from over there, I was like,
A big fish.
yeah.
Oh yeah, like a Nemo.
They're growing up to be
Oh my god,
giant. This pond is like covered in with these little tiny goldfish packs all over the place, little patches of them. This is the biggest patch.
They're slowly moving at the same pace.
This is weird.
They're eating the algae on top.
Very strange. Drew, why'd you do that?
How did you do that? Why does it tell us over all the way on the other side?
You're never gonna make it that
Where are
far.
they now?
Down the bottom.
Let me try.
See how close you can get to him. Always a fun thing to do with a wild, vicious creature.
Okay, fine then. Bye.